today I'm going to be demonstrating our language assessment platform for you guys. It's an innovative solution for personalized language learning. So what we have done here is we have created a platform that combines AI-powered assessments with adaptive learning to create a tailored language experience. Let's start by creating a new account, right, to see the full user experience. Okay, so we are already at the registration page. For new users, we have a simple registration process. Let's create an account with demo user. Okay, okay. Once registered, users are automatically logged in and directed to their personalized homepage. Let me walk you through our intuitive homepage design. So at the top, you'll notice our personalized welcome banner. This creates an engaging personal touch for each user. This banner includes the user's name and a quick access button to start learning new languages. Okay, so below the welcome banner, we have our quick actions section, which becomes more useful as you progress in your learning journey. The left card shows your in progress lessons for quick continuation of learning. The right one displays your recent activity, including completed lessons and scores. Okay, so this is the left one and this is the right one. All right. Okay, so at the bottom of the page, we have a language section grid. Each language is represented by its flag and name. Currently, we offer English, okay, which is the Great Britain, right? And the Spanish, and the French, and German, and Chinese. All right. So let's begin our language journey with Spanish. So by clicking that flag, the system automatically creates a new assessment, right? Notice how we skip the language selection step, making the process more streamlined. First, we determine the user's starting level. Users can choose between I'm a complete beginner for those new to the language, and I have some experience for those with prior language knowledge. For this demo, let's select I'm a complete beginner to see our comprehensive onboarding process. Our platform provides a structured introduction for beginners. We'll see that. So each beginner receives 5 foundational lessons covering basic alphabet and pronunciation, essential greetings and common phrases, simple sentence structures, basic listening and speaking practice, and fundamental vocabulary review. Okay, so let's complete the first lesson to see how it works. All right, so the first demo lesson is over. This is the second beginner lesson. All right, it's going to continue like that for the first 5 lessons, and then the user is evaluated based on that, and a customized learning plan is generated for the user. Okay, now let's see if we choose that we have some experience. How does that work? So in the case, if you chose complete beginner, I showed you guys how they are assessed on 5 fundamental lessons. And after that, after completing the beginner lessons, users move to our comprehensive assessment, which is essentially what we'll get when we choose some experience. So this is the language proficiency, vocabulary and grammar test. It consists of 5 adaptive questions. Each question's difficulty is improving as you go further. So let's answer these questions. All right. Negligible, insignificant, ascended, descend, eat, in. All right. Okay, so when we finish this one, we are moved forward to the writing assessment. Users receive a prompt and must write at least 70 words. And our OpenAI API system analyzes the grammar usage, the vocabulary range, the sentence structure, and overall coherence of the user. All right. So we can just write a response here. Okay, a prehistoric moment, right? So we have to write 70 words for now. Excuse me, because this is just a demo. I'm just going to make the minimum criteria and move forward to show you guys what's waiting us ahead. This After this, we are going to be taken to the speaking assessment, right? So the speaking assessment offers two options: direct recording through the browser, and audio file upload. Okay, so let's use the browser recording feature. So what we are going to have to do here is, for example, me, I am a user currently. So I have to speak for at least 30 seconds, and the AI is going to analyze my pronunciation, fluency, grammar, usage, and my vocabulary. So this is what the speaking assessment is about. We can now submit the recording. So when we do this, we are taken to the assessment results. Let's examine the comprehensive assessment results. We are going to be redirected to soon. Okay, so the result page, it shows overall proficiency level, individual scores for each assessment department, detailed feedback and analysis, personalized improvement, recommendation, lesson plan. So based on these results, the system generates a personalized lesson plan, right? Notice how the plan focuses on identified weak areas, learning goals, recommended practice activity, progress milestones. Okay, okay, let's move. Let's begin a structured learning journey with the learning dashboard. So, what the language learning dashboard is going to show, it comes with a progress tracker, available lessons, currently lesson, currently the lesson that the user is learning, that's highlighted, and the completion status for each lesson. Each lesson is going to include a clear learning objective, interactive content, practice exercises, end of lesson quiz, right? So this is what the learning dashboard provides to the user. Okay, so one of our platform's strength is handling multiple language tracks. So now that we are done with the Spanish, we can return and add French to our learning portfolio. Notice how the system maintains separate ones, separate progress tracking, lesson plans. These are the language. This is only going to get better, right, for each language. So the platform offers comprehensive progress tracking. Users can see lessons in progress, recent achievements, current proficiency levels, assessment scores. So to summarize, the language assessment platform offers personalized learning paths to the users, a comprehensive skill assessment, adaptive difficulty adjustment, clear progress tracking, and multi-language support. So that's all from my side. Thank you for your attention.